Are you sick and tired of cleaning up after your kids? Are you just like ready to throw away all their toys? Well, I have 8 tricks that you can use to get your kids to clean up after themselves. What? Seriously, it works. I've done it. I've done it with countless clients, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, number 1, make sure everything has a place. This one is probably the most obvious of all of my little tricks, but when you give everything a designated place, your kids won't have to search, hunt, or dump all of their stuff to find what they're looking for, which means cleanup will be a breeze. Start by grouping like toys together, and I honestly suggest that you watch what the kids play with and then only keep those toys. Everything else, the money's already spent, let it go. Donate it to your local church, synagogue, or donation center. Give it to someone who will actually use it because your kids are obviously done with it. Once you have all of your toys in the designated spots, label it. Make sure you label. You can easily just like take a picture of your toys inside the bin, print it out, laminate it, or use clear packing tape and just wrap the picture with it so that the kids can't really rip it. Attach it using like a binder ring clip or Velcro. My 3rd trick is to set a designated cleanup time. Now, what I mean by that is we say, okay, we are going to clean up in 5 minutes. And then the kids know that they have 1 to 2, depending on how many toys are out, songs to listen to before the cleanup is done. So we give them a specific time frame. When I was teaching, I used to use this song, I Like to Move It from Madagascar. My kids knew that was our transition song. They could get their wiggles out, and we also were listening to music. So cleaning up was so easy. I do this with my kids at home, and it works wonders. My 4th trick is to use real words, not generic words. Okay, so instead of saying, guys, you need to clean this up, I need you to be specific. I need Eli to clean up all of the cars and trucks. I need Adley to pick up all of the blocks. By giving them very specific directions, there is going to be no gray area. They know exactly what they need to do. Model and demo. Now, this means that you are also going to have to help clean up at the beginning. You're going to have to model. You're going to have to show them what clean up looks like. So get down on their level and say, I am going to put away all of the Barbies. Eli is going to put away all the cars and trucks. Adley is going to put away all the blocks. Ready? Play the music. Let's go. And then you show them how cleaning up looks for Barbies. The next time, show them how cleaning up looks for blocks. This way, you don't get a lot of the like chucking the items all over the place or, turning cleaning up into like a not so great game. We've all been there. You've all seen your kids do this. So instead of all of that, demo and model that. And then once they have figured out what they need to do, then that's where when they're cleaning up, you're cleaning up, but you can clean up a different area. So for us, at the end of the night, the kids will clean up the playroom and I will be cleaning up the dishes. And everyone is cleaning up. This is how you continue to model and demo, but not doing exactly what the kids are doing. Now, I said a not so great game. This trick is about turning it into a good game. So there are a few ways to turn cleaning up into a game. One is race. That one is the best. Who can clean up all of their toy categories the fastest? So if Eli is doing cars and trucks and Adley's doing blocks, on your mark, get set, go. And see who can put theirs away the fastest. Another great cleanup game is just to see who can pick up the most toys. That's another easy way, and you're also counting. So for younger children, that is perfect. You're getting your math in for the day. My 6th trick, you're gonna have to live with the imperfections. Yeah, I'm serious. It's for real. If you just live with some things a little imperfect, not completely tidy, but semi-tidy, your kids will feel far more successful and won't be as resentful about cleaning up. If they know that mom is gonna come in or dad is gonna come in after they've cleaned up to like tidy it again, Do you really see them having the motivation to continue to do it when they know you're going to do it in the end? No. So if something isn't perfectly put away, you're going to have to live with it if the kids did it. Because then the next day when they come and look for their Beyblades and they're not in their bin, they left it in the Beyblade stadium, well, then that is going to be on them, and then they're going to realize, oh, I should probably put this in here because I would have found it quicker. Give specific compliments. I want you to be really specific about what you're saying. An example of that is, I love how you put all of your Barbie dolls into the Barbie doll bin. You made it look so nice and neat. The reason why is because you are basically telling your kid to keep doing that over and over again. So instead of just saying, great job cleaning up, be specific in the compliment you give. I love how you stacked all the blocks inside the bin instead of throwing them. Right there, you showed them exactly what and how to clean up the blocks. Instead of chucking them all in, they stack them on top of each other. So continue to reinforce that, then your kids will continue to do what you're reinforcing. Finally, is get a cleanup checklist. Yes, I want you to go down below. I have a free checklist that is perfect for you. Use these free printables that I made for putting away toys and taking out toys. These 2 printables will help your kiddos understand how to take out toys and how to put them away. All you do, print it out. I would suggest laminating it just because, sometimes they get mad. And then follow the numbers. Gather toys you played with. Put toys away in proper bins. Put bins away. Find a new activity. The reason why we have pictures and words is so your kids can see the sequence. This will help them with cleaning up. I also included taking out toys. It's the same type of flow chart, and the reason being is sometimes kiddos get overwhelmed when there's a lot of toys. So by showing them what to do to take out toys will help them put away their toys. You can get this down below where you're watching this video. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.